All right, welcome back, Fast RC everybody. And so there's just too many sales for me to not make a video right now and talk about it. Plus, we're a couple days out from RC Weekly. So let's go ahead and dive into the sales. We got lots of stuff from Traxxas, Horizon. We're going to go to Associated, and then we're going to do a bunch of deep dive stuff, get into the pricing, data, look at the graphs. So if you're new here to Fast RC, I do this from time to time a lot on RC Weekly, which is my weekly episode that I do for all RC news and sales and all that stuff. And I like to do pricing data deep dives, and so that's what we're going to do in today's episode of, I don't know what you want to call it, but anyways, let's go ahead and dive in. So we got a new sale from Traxxas, which is the main reason why I'm making this video. So this one is the 4x4 VXL sale, and it looks like we're going to be saving up to $100 off on select models. So just in a nutshell, the Rustler 4x4 VXL Ultimate is $100 off at $449.95. The Rustler VXL is $30 off down to $399. We'll talk about that one more a little bit later. And then the Slash 4x4 VXL Ultimate is about $80 off down to $449.95, and then the Slash 4x4 VXL is down to $399 as well. Let's go ahead and dig into the prices on those guys real quick. So start off here with the Slash 4x4 Ultimate. So let's take a look at the pricing graph here. And like I said, if you're new here, I do this quite a bit. If you're interested in pricing history and pricing data on a lot of these models, or you just want to be a little bit more informed shopper, stick around, do a lot of this kind of stuff. So this Slash 4x4 Ultimate is not rock bottom price. So currently right now it's about 450 bucks. Lowest all-time price we've seen on this guy, at least from my data set going back to March of 2025, is $400. And then, you know, in March, if you go all the way back then, they were doing the price hike stuff. They bumped it up to $500 and then eventually again to $530. So $450 is the lowest price we've seen since looks like November. So it's been about 6 months since we've seen this low of price before. So pretty good deal here if you're looking to pick up a Slash 4x4 Ultimate. I know it's a very, very popular model. This is one of the lower prices that you're going to see. Honestly, I don't know if you'll ever see it get back down to 400 again with the amount of aluminum and all the upgrade parts on this thing. 450 feels like a pretty low price on this guy. Next one, let's go ahead and talk about the Rustler Ultimate 4x4. So this one's probably the best deal from a percentage standpoint. It is a full $100 off and down to $450, and it's pretty close to the rock bottom price, which was $430 back in early March of 2025. So good deal here if you're looking to pick this one up. Kind of similar to the Slash Ultimate. It's, you know, loaded with tons of option parts, lots of aluminum, VXL motor, ESC combo. Pretty good deal if you're looking at that guy. And then let's go ahead and hop over to the VXL models here real quick. So the Rustler VXL, $30 off. This one does get it back to its pre-price hike pricing of $400, so not too bad. Only $30 discount though. So in this case, I mean, honestly, a $50 difference, I would probably just go with that Rustler Ultimate, which is what I would recommend. And then the Slash 4x4 VXL, same thing here, down to $400, which is the lowest price that truck ever or at least was for my data set. Might have been lower way back in the past. Probably was actually. So pretty good deals there, you know, all things considered. One other thing I kind of wanted to comment, and the reason why I'm making this video is just, man, the sales, I've never seen Traxxas have this many sales. Like, I mean, look at this guy. It's like this mini Slash. This guy's been on sale for like 2 months now. The mini Rally's been almost a month. Now we got the 4x4 sale. And then the Pathfinder, same thing, you know, $50 off. I've never seen like the amount of vehicles that are just on sale right now. Like just in my time doing this, been a little over a year. This is by far the most I've seen from Traxxas. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these, go ahead and snap some of those up. They're pretty good deals. Let's go ahead and Team Associated just real quick. We're not going to spend a lot of time here. They still got the BOGO sales going on for their spring cleaning sale. But the only one I really wanted to highlight is they brought back the Hoons kits. So these are factory team kits. They don't include any electronics, but for $2.99, if you go ahead and pick one of these up, $2.99, you add to the cart, they will throw in that second Hoons kit for you free, and it's a $300 kit. So, you know, 2 kits for 300 bucks. You can see I got a couple of those behind me. I haven't built them yet, but they look like really nice kit, and they're chock full of factory team aluminum parts. So a pretty good deal there. They actually brought it back. Shout out to the person that gave me the heads up on that a few days ago. Appreciate you. So pretty good deal. I didn't bring that one on the graph, but I could promise you rock bottom price, both of these as a BOGO sale for sure. And then the next thing I wanted to talk about here is the Granite. So I didn't make a video about this a couple days ago, and I apologize guys, just with work and life and stuff, I couldn't crank a video out for this one, but it's out of stock now, unfortunately. But man, these things got dropped all the way down to $99 or $100, which is just wild. Like, it's not even just the Granite, it was the Typhon Mega 6652. And I mean, like, from the time I saw this in the morning to I think it was like maybe like 4 or 5 hours later, these were pretty much all wiped out. But definitely, let's go ahead and look at the graph. Kind of interesting what's going on with these models. So like, they were pretty steady at 260 like the whole year, and then they went on sale, you know, in November, like around Black Friday. 260, 260, 220. Then they dropped the price in February, 220, 220. And then it's just like since May, it's just gone like haywire, down to 140, 220, and then now all the way down to 100. Pretty good chance it's probably going away. But if you do find one of those, that's a heck of a deal for what it is. Just as like a really good like entry-level truck. It's not fast like by any means. It is a brush motor, and it's not terribly quick. I think a lot of the review videos I've seen, it's clocked at around like 20-ish miles an hour maybe. So yeah, not terribly fast, and it's 2S only. But as a starter rig for 4x4, not bad. Like, really, really nice model. Like I said, on A-Main Hobbies, these are out of stock, and then Horizon Hobbies are also out of stock, which is unfortunate. But what I would do is, if you got a local hobby store around you, check it out, because I know the local hobby store in my area here in Sacramento, they had these on sale also, I believe. So check out your local hobby store. They might have some of these still, if you could pick them up for $100. I mean, that's heck of a deal if you can do that. Also too, the last one we'll talk about here is the Typhon. Same thing, the Typhon Mega 665. I just want to show you guys the graph on this guy real quick. The rule of thumb here, like for me and RC Weekly, is like when I see a 30% discount on a Horizon hobby model like Arrma, Losi, or Axial, in general, I'm putting it on discontinue watch. I think it's possibly going to go away. And this one, no exception. You can see it dropped down to 140, and then a couple days ago, it dropped down to $129.99. I think actually when the Granite went on sale for $99, the Typhon also was briefly $100 as well. But I didn't catch it on my graph. But yeah, like crazy, crazy low price on these guys. So like I said, if you do find them at your local hobby stores, it's a pretty good deal for what it is. It's not like a great performer, but it'll at least get you a 4x4 hobby grade model for that price. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And then I had seen some rumors that some of the local hobby stores out there are saying that these are definitely going away and getting discontinued. So just keep an eye on that. But otherwise, I hope you guys got something out of this episode. Just a lot of data deep diving and that kind of stuff, and digging into the models. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you on RC Weekly here in a couple of days. Take care, guys.